Hello and welcome to Facile Jobs. In this video, I will show you how to use your affiliate dashboard to promote products and earn commissions. First, let's sign up or log in. Go to facilejobs.com, enter your name, email, and password. Click Apply Now to access your affiliate dashboard. At the top left of your dashboard, you will see key stats, total payable commissions, older than 30 days, total pending commissions, under 30 days, total revenue, and global earnings per click. The graphs below show your commissions and clicks over time. For promotion, scroll down to the links table. The marketplace provides links and emails for promoting products. This table displays link names, destination URLs, and your unique affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link and share it via email, social media, or other platforms. When someone clicks on this link and makes a purchase on a Facile Jobs checkout page, you earn a commission. The ledger section shows customers who purchased through your links. The payment section tracks payments made by your promoted affiliate platform to customers. You can get paid via any payment method. To check your payout ID, go to the settings page where you can view and edit your account information. It's that easy. We are also a proud partner of Samcart. So, what are you waiting for? Join Facile Jobs today and start earning commissions.